The difference between A7 and A3 is just going to be 4 times the common difference. Okay, so A7 we know is minus 8, A3 is 32, and this is 4 times D. This will just be minus 40, so dividing both sides by 4, I can get that D is just minus 10. Okay, so now we have the common difference, and if we use A3, right, A3 is equal to the initial term, right, so that's A1, and since this is the third term, we have to add 2 times the common difference, minus 10, right, so then A3 being 32, we have A1 minus 20, so add 20 to both sides, and A1 ends up being 52. Okay, so then the general term, Tn, is going to be the initial term, so that's A1, so 52, plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is just 52 minus 10n plus 10, and that's just minus 10n plus 62.